Hi there. This recording is to introduce about the application that is Case Diary for Client. Case Diary for Client is a child application of our product Advocate Diary and Case Management System from Honey Computing Services. Well, first let me give you brief about the app. Case Diary for Client is a new application for client of the advocates. You must know, I mean, those who are advocate, they must be knowing about our product Advocate Diary and Case Management System, wherein advocates or lawyers save their save their cases and of their client and related and update their hearings regularly. Well, so let me start with what exactly is the Case Diary for Client. Case Diary for Client is a new application for client of the advocates. A client is a person who is not an advocate and his case is running in the court of law. Client application is supposed to be used by client of advocates and it will allow them to check all the case status related to them. Client application is connected with the advocate application means advocate will download the application for managing their cases and configure cases using that application, and data will be displayed to the client on client mobile application. So in order to get these all updates, there are some prerequisite conditions that should take care of. Well, the first prerequisite condition for advocate is each client information in their advocate diary must have mobile number or email id. This mobile number or email id will be used by your client, that is advocate's client, to get access of their case diary client application. Means this application you are visible to you right now. Well, advocate must have entered the recent updates of their all client cases of their client and hearings. So how the client will use this app? You can see in front of you there is input field, that is enter your email id or mobile number, and this application is client's application. So client will use this application to get their updates of their cases and hearings. To access those data, client need to enter their email registered email id or mobile number in their client's diary, sorry, in their advocate's diary, that is in advocate diary and case management system. So if I am the client and I want to get my data, I will have to enter my mobile number or email id in this input field. If you want to get more understanding of how to use this app, there is one link below this client login button. 4 easy steps to use this app. If I click on this, I will get 4 easy steps how to get start with this app. So I will click on 4 easy steps to use this app. Oh, something went wrong here. Let me start with this 4 easy step. In this application, I clicked on question mark button at the right top corner of this login header. So let me click once again. Help. Now this help page will help us to get understanding 4 easy step how to get started with this application. Step number 1 is login using your mobile number or email which is registered by your advocate. This mobile number or email id must be registered by advocate in their advocate diary. So client need to enter here their registered mobile number or email id and then click on login button. Well, once we entered our email id or login button, we can now follow step 2. Now once we logged in, we will get list of advocates where our data is, to those our cases are saved or running. So from the list of advocates, select advocate name to get list of your cases. So each advocate must be having some number of cases running. Those cases are only client cases, means my cases. Suppose I am the client, and every means here list of nine advocates. So Dipali, advocate Dipali will have one single case or two case of mine, means I am the client. I will get the whole info of only my case here running by, means running in advocate diary of Dipali, advocate Dipali. Well, and so next step will, I will have to click on particular advocate to get access of my cases for that advocate. So I will follow step number 3. From the list of cases, select one case to get details of that case. Well, I will have to select that case. Once I clicked on that case, I will get this info. And once I get the list of cases, I will click on cases to get the details of all that cases. That means hearings. In case detail page, you can see details of selected pages. Well, now we end here. Let's start with the app. Well, I will enter my mobile number. This is my mobile number registered somewhere with my client. Let's check where is, to whom this number is registered. To whose means, well, there are 6 advocates wherein to whom my cases are running. So advocate Neha, I will select one of these 6 advocates. So I can, let me select advocate Neha to get my cases from advocate Neha Shah. Well, there are 4 cases running to advocate Neha. Murder 1000, 1005, TC 4400. In order to get all hearings of these particular cases, I will have to click on each case to get the hearing detail of this case. Now I will click on murder. Suppose I click on murder, I get the detail of hearing, that is hearing date is 24th of March 17, 2017. Well, I will go back and click on another case to get hearing. I see there are 2 hearing dates, that is 31st March 2017 and that is old date is here 5th of Jan 2017. Yes, there is one case for 17. These are the details of my particular cases. I can see advocate name Neha Shah, case number murder, and case detail, that is hearing detail. Now going to home page, I can see there is some option button at the right top corner. It will help to understand more deeply this app. We can share this app if we need help. We can ask for help. We can get also lawyer version. Suppose I am advocate, then I can get lawyer version from this third option, that is get lawyer version, and I can log out from logout. Well, suppose I want to share this app, I will have to click on share. One option will pop up wherein I can share to my, I have lot of option to share by which medium I can share. Suppose I click on WhatsApp, I can share this app to my, in my group. Well, I will share this app to jumping jacks. In this way I will share this app to this group. Again, suppose I need help, I have these 4 steps to get started with the app. Suppose I am advocate. I want to get the lawyer version of this app. Then I can click on this. It will direct me to the app store, that is Play Store, wherein I can download my advocate version of this application. I have already downloaded it, so I can open this app. So here my advocate version is already ready to use. So this advocate diary is parent version of this or case diary for client. I hope you must have understood the basics of this application. If you want to get, if you want to, if you want more help from our support executive, you can press call now to support button. Now you can call to us, that is Honeycomb Tech Services, and our support executive will help you out regard for anything you, wherein you are facing problem. Our team will reach to you by phone or by email, and we will help you out to understand more deeply about this application. So thank you very much for your patience and listening to me. Thank you.